How to use your mClass data for instruction. Log into your Amplify account and choose the reading tile. Your dashboard will only include your students, but for examples purposes, I'm going to choose Ms. Pearson. The benchmark dashboard will show your class summary as a whole. If you scroll down, it will break it down by each student and their progress in each of the subtests. If you'll click on Instruction, it's going to group your students according to skills. It'll have a drop-down menu. It'll give you some language considerations, some observed patterns for your students to be demonstrating, and then at the bottom it will have activities on resources you can use in your small groups. So be sure to take advantage of the resources within mClass. Thank you.